Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try Hostinger Horizons. So one of the AI related service from Hostinger. In fact, that is you can call it AI website builder. Only by giving instruction like ChatGPT, we can create an entire website using Hostinger Horizons. Now, what I'll do first, I'll go to my Hostinger dashboard. So I am a Hostinger user. I'm using Hostinger from last couple of years. So the thing is, actually I have tried that tool. That's the reason I'm you are seeing a different website. So whenever you're doing it for the first time, you will see a screen. I'll try to give the screenshot here like this, where you have to click the try now button, and as soon as you click on try now button, it will open this kind of window. Okay, now in that I just give this instruction, can you create a blog? And then it took some time. Hostinger Horizon took some time. Let's go. I'm about to create an awesome blog for you. Then it took some time and it created lots of files. See, it created the entire website, all the whatever is required file it created. And then finally in the right side, it actually gives me the preview of the website. So it has created a simple and plain blog. Okay, if I click on this, see, it has created this blog. So website creation has become seriously easy with this Hostinger Horizon, it looks like. Okay, now if I click on open in a new tab, let's see how exactly it opens. So right now there is no website attached to it. So we'll try to explore how can we do that. So see, it's a very simple and beautiful website it has created. Now let me try to give some more instruction and let's see how exactly it modify this. So I want the top hero section such a way that in left side there should be some text and CTA, and the right side it should have an image about blogging. Okay, can you please do that? Let's see what it. So I have provided the new instruction. So see, the code and everything is getting rewritten automatically. See, updated 3 files. So it has updated 3 files. This is seriously unbelievable. So whoever is a developer who knows how to create a website and on all those things, so for them, I think Hostinger Horizon is seriously a blessing. Lot of coding task and everything can be done in couple of I'd say I have some even less than a minute. I think. See, it is hardly 30 seconds. So I have not paused or anything. Looks like it is updating. Okay. So see, welcome to our blog. Discover amazing stories. Start reading now. Call to action it has provided, and it gave a picture of blogging. So now this is a very basic instruction or prompt I gave. If we want to create some serious or beautiful website, we can give each and every detail in this prompt, like what should be the size of the image. If in fact we can give the image address also from where it should bring the image, how many section we want, and for example the single post looks like this. Now let's say if I want to make this title and the meta details in the centrally aligned. Okay, for single post view, can you please make the title and meta details central align? Okay, let's see what it is doing. So see, Hostinger Horizon started rewriting the CSS code. Excellent, this is seriously excellent. So people who are like web designer or love to explore this kind of stuffs or create websites, so I think this is an amazing tool. Basic websites, anybody can create basic websites like in a couple of minutes or maybe in 1 hour you can create a very good website. For business website, let's say 5-6 page websites, you can create websites very easily. See, all the CSS, whatever class, everything is written. JSX. Okay, see, updating the files, you will get all the information also. If you know these technical details, you can even explore that also. Okay, let's see how exactly the result it is coming. So I have not paused anything, it's still doing it. So I just wanted to, so the initial things actually I tried first without recording. So first part I was not able to show you. Now I want to show each and every step to you. Okay, So all done. Let me know if you like my adjustment. So it's still doing. It's not yet done, I think. Let's see. Okay, so something has done. Okay, let's see. It is still loading. Okay, fine. Now I'll click on it. See, title and meta has been centrally aligned. So this is excellent. I do not need to touch any code or anything. I do not need to know whether CSS, whether HTML, anything. Simply I give a simple instruction. Now the more detailed and more accurate instruction you can give, your website can be designed, in fact, in a very beautiful way. Okay, now so this is a simple, very basic thing I just tried to show you, or in fact I'm also exploring this tool. Now let's try to see the other option. Okay, so this is the preview, this is the edit content. Okay, so this is the edit content. So in edit content, see, we can directly edit the content. Welcome to our blog. Okay, welcome to, let's say, my blog. So we can directly edit the content. If I say my and save, yes, it is saving. So this is really excellent. So couple of things we can edit. Then this is the code. So in the code part, see, all the files are created automatically, index, package. So to create a website, I think this is an amazing tool. We do not need to bother about like what files needs to be created. Unbelievable. UI, everything has been created. We just need to put this file. In fact, that is also will be taken care, I think. So what we need to do, so let's see if you click on publish, what it is doing. So I've just clicked on publish. Let's see. Okay, so published successfully. Now this is the website created. So this is the website created with Hostinger site domain. So it's very simple, but this is really an amazing experience, I would say. With just a couple of instructions, I am able to create a website now. Now the problem is it is not a this is not a good domain, right? So what we can do, connect your domain, improve site discoverability on search engines. So now Hostinger is asking to get domain. So if we click on get domain, let's see what happens. Definitely it will take me to my Hostinger H panel, and it will try to like ask me to put a domain name. So right now I do not have a domain name for that, and with Hostinger I have a free domain. If I want, I can avail that domain also. Let me try my first website 123.com. Let's see. I'm trying. Okay. Next. So I have not purchased it actually. So it is asking me to purchase the domain. Okay. So website creation has become seriously easy with Hostinger Horizons. So we have just now see noticed that with Hostinger we can create this website, and with Hostinger plan, if you see this plan, it will take only $108 actually. Right now Black Friday sale is also going on. You can use this Hostinger coupon code Black Friday to get extra 10% discount, and then you can try Hostinger Horizons. There you will get a free domain, and you can actually map this free domain in the publish section. Okay, so they are giving around 7 days of free trial. So I think 7 days more than enough to create a website. So see, now here you can see the Hostinger Horizons plan. So there also you'll get some lot of discount because due to this Black Friday sale. So if you want to like explore more about Hostinger Horizons, definitely you can explore these things. So as a web designer, if you have a website creation business for companies and all, then definitely I think this is going to be an amazing tool. So Hostinger has incorporated AI or as a chatbot in their hosting, and this is seriously an amazing tool. Okay, if I go to my Hostinger dashboard homepage, so I can see your Hostinger Horizon free trial expires in 6 days. Okay, so I can upgrade if I want to continue or using this. Okay, I just wanted to explore how exactly this tool is working or helping to create website. So and I think it is a really amazing one. Okay, so great experience so far. So that's all in this video. If you want to keep a track of more Hostinger Horizons tutorial, then feel free to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.